I want you to do another self-portrait. You can kind of set up a different situation than you had last time in terms of the lighting. This is very different. All the lights on my forehead and on my nose. The shadows of my eyes are really, really dark in this. So we're going to work on a canvas board. I ask you guys to get some of those. If you guys don't have them, then use a ruler and block out 9 by 12. That's a little bit bigger than this. This is a super small size, so we're going to have to bring the scale down of the head a little bit. And one way to do that is just use a little brush and make a quick sketch of the head. The whole head has to fit in here, so I'm going to find the bottom of the head, which is at the beard, right? It's like right here. Here's the top of the head. I'm going to say that the angle of the head is this direction. The eyes go this way. Stuff is all going to get covered over. The nose goes something like this. The ear is always here to help you figure out where things are. That's what it's for, besides hearing. And this would almost be enough for me to start a painting. I don't need to draw into this thing deeply. Leave the eyes alone like last time. Let's start going into it, and let's just look at it as color. It's good to repeat these exercises because you know, I don't know how much you're going to get it in the first thing, in the first session doing a self-portrait, but this is kind of the color that I see, which is kind of an orange up here. The nose goes to more of an orange pink, so I'm going to make that an orange pink, like that. Okay, so I'm getting a little bit of the highlights. I'm going to clean my brush. I'm going to go to a dark, which is going to be I may have a little bit of a problem here. Let me see. A blue and a red, which would give me a purple. You know, you're just mixing colors. And I'm going to go into the shadow of this and this. This is super dark in here. You know, it's like this. And those eyes, they actually go like this. So that changes. Underneath the nose is kind of the same color. This comes down, this goes down into the neck. That's the start. And I'm going to say what's going on with the background, which seems to me to be kind of a gray, but also a blue-gray. So let's just knock in a little bit of that. Kind of like this, right? And then there's my beard, which goes, you know, it's kind of amazing. It goes kind of blue, the way the light comes down here, like this. And then, you know, this is a smaller scale. So, you know, you might make 2 of these. You could try it with different kind of light, move your light around a little bit, see what it reveals. And it's kind of like being an actor, too. You know, that you're casting in this light. I got this blue scarf around my neck because this place is so drafty. Okay, so there's the blue, and here's the other blue. Coming around the side, the scarf goes down. What else do I see? This could go blue up into here. Get a fresh brush. So I want to get those cheek colors, kind of what's going on in there, which, you know, it's kind of subtle. And, you know, we just keep making changes. Like right in here, and like right in here. And, you know, my eyes go kind of blue-black. And, all right, let's